If you want to study a medical degree or medical related programs, or you are a bachelor student, you want to apply for a master and a PhD degrees, so then don't skip this video. Today video is about Azerbaijan Government Scholarship. Assalamu alaikum, I'm your friend Adil Akram. So in this video I will guide you about a lot of information about the lot of study programs. Like I already mentioned in the beginning that medical programs are also included in this scholarship. So one more important thing is that all over the world, if there is any announcement about the scholarship is related to a government based scholarship, so never skip those scholarships, because in if you apply for a university based or professor based scholarship, there is a lot of chances that if you have a zero progress in during your degree, there is a chance that they can cancel your scholarship. But in the government based scholarship, what happened there, they clearly mention on your admission letter, your offer letter, that you will get that scholarship for the respective years. For example, 3 years, 4 year, 5 year, or 2 year, it depends on the degree program. So let's move toward toward scholarship program. So this is the main page of study in Azerbaijan. So I just open a financial support option. Basically the scholarship name is a Haider Aliyev International's Education Grant Program. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Ministry of Science and Education, Republic of Azerbaijan, are pleased to announce the Haider Aliyev International Grant Program for 2026 and 2027. This program is basically they designed for their development and to connect the international relationship with the different countries. So let's move toward the grant duration. The grant will be offered annually for a period of 5 years, starting for 2026 and 2027. If you look at this part, they clearly mention that your scholarship will be a 5 year. Why they mention for a 5 year? Because if you want to apply for a bachelor, they almost cover 4 years. If you want to apply for a PhD, they almost cover 4 to 5 years, and for a master it will be 2 years. Or if you apply for a medical degree, is almost 4 to 5 years. That's why they mention that a 5 year programs. How many grants they have? So 100 education grants will be provided annually, so you can be a one person in 100 eligible countries. So I will little bit zoom out for you. Eligible countries, they mention that member states of Organization of Islamic Cooperation, number one, member state of a non-aligned movement, small island developing state, countries sharing common culture, ethnic and historical ties with the Azerbaijan. Eligible education levels, so a bachelor students can apply, intermediate students can apply, general medicine degree program. I think you will understand that what's the mean of what is meant by general medicine program, master program, medical residency program, and PhD program. So if you have a FSC in a medical, you can apply for a medical program. So you guys knows that how much the program fee all over the world in your own countries if you gonna apply for MBBS or medicine related degrees. So it's a great chance for all of you people that apply on this scholarship. Grant coverage, beneficiary of Heather Ali International Program, they will provide you a lot of benefits here. So in a grant coverage, they will give you a tuition fee waiver total. They will give you a international flights for one time only, and they will give you a monthly allowance and a medical insurance and visa and a registration help. So if you got all of these things in the scholarship, that is mean that you will be totally free of any kind of expenses there, and they will also give you a monthly stipend. So I will show you that what kind of how much the monthly stipend they will provide you. Okay, let's move toward their book. And one of the important thing is that these are country specific scholarship. If you have a strong tie with the Azerbaijan or a diplomatic relationship with the Azerbaijan, simply you can check the your higher education commission or and foreign affairs website. they announced all of the scholarships. So you have to first you have to submit a small form from the Azerbaijan government scholarship, and then you have to visit the ad. Like for if Pakistani peoples, because I'm from Pakistan, so those people will just search on HEC website. They will show up the Azerbaijan. I will show you all of the detail that how you can choose that one. Let's move first of all the little bit information about a call and the other information, and these general information here. And what is the objective? So I mentioned that the 4 to 5 year for a bachelor degree programs, general medicine 5 to 6 year for general medicine program, master for 2 year, medical residency program 2 to 5 year, and doctor program is for 3 years. So now you have a great chance, a bachelor student have a great chance to study. Scholarship and benefit, I already told you that they will give you a tuition fee waiver, international flight ticket, and now a monthly stipend, monthly allowance of 800 ASZEN, like around about 470 USD for accommodation, daily expenses, educational material, 10 month each year except July and August. So they will provide you 10 month a stipend amount for 470, but this stipend amount is different for the different degrees. For example, for bachelor it is a different, for a master it is a different, for PhD it's a different. And also they will give you 117 USD yearly allowance for the medical insurance. You have to pay it directly to the government. All other privilege and payment under Part 3 scholarship benefit will be applicable only for the duration of each program. For example, if you're going to apply for a master, you will get 2 year. If you're going to apply for a bachelor, you will get a 5 year visa and a registration, a single entry visa to the Republic of Azerbaijan, as well as a temporary residency permit for the stay in the country for the period of each academic year. They will help you in this. Now the important thing is about the date. So first of all, you have to submit a submission of application. First stage, there are two stages to submit this application. The first of one, you have to submit your application. I already told you that relevant government authorities of applicants country ministry embassies. You can simply visit your embassies, Azerbaijan embassies, like for example in India, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai, in Nepal. For example, I just give you example about the countries. So in the first cycle that you have a time from 16 February to 15 April. So between this time you have to submit your application toward your relevant government authorities. You can visit Ministry of Educations, and review evaluation of candidate by the respective government authorities will be started from 16 April to 16 May. After that, in the second stage, if your country and your respective embassies or ministries authority recognize you or nominate you as a candidate, that then you will get a email about that, and then you can register yourself for the second stage. It is known as a SIACAS, like study in Azerbaijan centralized admission service. If you are nominated, and then you have to apply on the for the second stage in Azerbaijan scholarship from 18 May to June 1. So then they will give you a review and evaluation, notification of selected candidate, and you can start your academic year. Application criteria. So if you are one of as an undergraduate or general medicine student, your age should be 35 year. And if you want to apply for a master, you should be 40, or doctor program. Those people who are 45 year, they can apply this scholarship. Application process, so they mention that all of the information. First of all, again I will notify you about this information. For official nomination by respective state entities, government authorities, ministries, embassies, the applicant must submit the required and document to the relevant authority for the first stage of application, and last stage is April 15, 2026. If the candidate is nominated by the respective government authorities, and then you will be eligible for the Azerbaijan centralized admission service portal, where which is mentioned that portal.edu.az. They will send you an email about that one. Candidate can choose three specialities at different higher education institution of Republic of Azerbaijan, which means that you can choose three different programs for application. So I already requirements. So now what about what kind of documents you need to apply for these scholarships? So let's move toward that. Completed nomination form. What is nomination form? I will just give you a little bit information. For the first stage of application process, copy of diploma, transcript, prior higher education institute, the applicant academic marks, GPA. So if you're gonna apply for a medical degree, your marks should not be less than 70. So you have to understand this thing, that if you wanna apply for a medical degree, only a medical degree, your marks would be 70 degree. And other document you need copy of the medical certificate, like including which mention that you don't have HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis. You need a passport, copy of valid passport. You need a CV or a resume, proficiency in the language of study. Applicants willing to study in the English are required to have a following score. So they have three criterias, that if you want to apply for undergraduate, you have IELTS like a 5. For a postgraduate, it should be 5.5. But the language of the study of previous education must be English. For example, if you choose a English program, or you want to apply for in other language, your last degree should be in English, then you will be waived off from IELTS. Otherwise, you have to provide the IELTS. So, and also one of the important thing is that you don't need to pay any kind of application fee, and also you don't require IELTS. So, no, it's a clear here that you can provide MOI. Call for okay, and applicants willing to study. If you want to study in Russia, then you have to provide them a Russian, or Turkish, you have to provide them a Turkish. And a motivation letter and local international award. If you have any kind of award or local authorities nominate you, you can also provide them if available. So these are the information for all of the things, the documentation, that the procedure, that how you can submit your application. And you can also save that one, so you will save all of the links here. They mentioned that nomination form for the first stage of application 5. You have just click on that one, and then just come on the nomination. This one is a nomination form. What you have to write up your first name, surname, your citizenship, and your passport number, mobile phone number, and contact person, and your education level you want to apply. So which study you want to apply, you can just choose that one, and educational program you want to apply for, then you have to choose that one. The following document must be attached. So you have to attach your valid passport, copy of diploma transcript, and copy of medical certificate. So then after filling this form, you have to submit these all of the application toward your respective authorities in embassies and your higher education commissions. So you can download that form here. I will attach all of the link in the description section, so you can easily get that one. So no list of eligible countries, that what are the eligible countries who can apply in this scholarship. So they mention almost, okay, almost 142 countries are eligible for this scholarship. So you can find your country. If your country is here, then you can apply. All of the Muslim countries who have relation with the Azerbaijan, they can apply for a scholarship. They who are, and a small island who have a scholarship, they have a relationship with the Azerbaijan, they are also eligible for this scholarship. Okay, so this one is information. I already show you a nomination form. And next move toward that, how you can apply on the HEC. So the issue is that I'm using my university internet, so I have a restriction. I think that I cannot open the HEC here. I'm just trying from the last 1 hour, but it's not working. For example, HEC, so it's not working. So what you have to do, that just write up on a Google that Azerbaijan scholarship for HEC. You can mention your name, country name, and they will open up. You can see that they mentioned that Azerbaijan Government Scholarship Hyder Alvi. So it means that they already announced on the embassy website. So you can simply just go visit your embassy, your HEC, or higher education or foreign affairs authorities, then you can apply. They have mentioned. I try to open it, but it's not working here. So you can use that one in your country, so it will maybe open there. But I will show you a little detail about that one. The most important thing you have to understand about it, step by step application procedure, that you must do not apply directly. You cannot submit your application in the Azerbaijan government portal, so you must wait for your country designated authority, so which is already open. Apply and submit your documentation. Respective authority will select and nominate you. If nominated, you will proceed the second stage, and second stage is, I already told you, that is a CKS, study in Azerbaijan centralized university. So for the Pakistani students and for other country students, you can just visit your HEC or higher education websites. That visit the HEC online application portal, log in your account. You can use your CNIC or a passport to fill up your to open up your application portal. Select the correct scholarship program. So you can choose learning opportunity abroad LOA in HEC portal, where you can choose Azerbaijan scholarship. So I already told you that select scholarship and then learning opportunity abroad and Azerbaijan scholarship. Fill the application form and add all of the information. Submit before 15 April. HEC will nominate you, and then the second part will be started. I already told you, visit the Azerbaijan scholarship portal. This is a link. I will attach all of the link in the description section. Then you can easily apply on it. So this is the video. Or if you need any kind of paid services and any kind of application query you have, so you can look at the bottom side. There is a WhatsApp link, WhatsApp contact contact number. You can simply send a message if you need any kind of services or any kind of help. That you can simply uh, will be helped by a qualified team. And you can also get uh, help in any kind of application submission toward a scholarship. Or you can also uh, take a help, like if you want to design any kind of documentation for any country, for any country scholarship. You can just simply send up your query on a WhatsApp, and they will help you in all of the things. So share this video with your friend, with your education circle. This is a very good chance, because it's a government based scholarship and also a medical scholarship. You can simply submit your application. So remember me in your prayer until the next video. And in next video it will be very amazing. It's in a Europe, so you can those scholarship are also government based scholarships. So those people that who are new here, just subscribe and touch the bell icon, so if there is any announcement, you can simply get a link and apply your future studies. Until that time, Allah Hafiz.